Welcome to cryssberry reviews and tips. So today we're making this very delicious milk chocolate. For this I'm taking a small mixer jar. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. So this is a very easy and quick recipe that you can make chocolates at home without any preservatives or additives. Next ingredient is skimmed milk powder. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of skimmed milk powder. Don't use dairy whitener, use only skimmed milk powder. So if you don't know the difference between the two, please check the description where I've added a video on the difference between the two. Next I'm adding unsweetened cocoa powder, which is from Hershey's, and I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder here. Make sure you buy only unsweetened cocoa powder because we have already added icing sugar for sweetness. After adding all this, just close the mixer and run it on pulse mode for a few seconds, and here everything is mixed well. Scrape the sides and the wall of the mixer jar, and next we will be adding coconut oil. Use pure coconut oil. We are adding about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. So this is the only fat we are going to be using in this recipe. After this you can add about few drops of vanilla essence or vanilla extract if you prefer. I'll be adding my vanilla after I blend this. So we'll blend it for about 40 seconds to 1 minute. And now the mixture is completely ready. Here is our chocolate mixture. Scrape the lid and the sides of the jar. We don't want to waste any chocolate. I'm using vanilla essence here. I'm adding about 4 to 5 drops, just about 1/8 teaspoon. Just give it a quick mix. You can also run it on pulse for about few seconds. And now I'm pouring all the mixture into the silicone mold. Just spread it evenly. After spreading it, tap it gently so that if there are any air bubbles, it will pop. So use a plate like this underneath so that you'll be able to tap it easily. So now we'll refrigerate this mixture. So after refrigerating, here you can see the chocolate bar has hardened. So let's unmold it. Be very careful, do it gently because this is a very thin mold. So here you can see our chocolate bar is ready. It's ready to eat. Don't leave it out in room temperature for a long time because it will start melting. Keep it refrigerated if you are not consuming it immediately. So hope you like this recipe and thank you for watching. See you soon in another interesting video like this. Until then, bye.